welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go to our favorite web browser and go to the website LearnTechProjectFiles.com, and we're going to go to Adobe AfterEffects 2022 Projects, and we're going to click on project number 1, logo.zip. So go ahead and do that. It's grabbed it right away. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to drag and drop this on the desktop. Okay. And what I want to do then is I'm going to close this, and I will hide After Effects, because what I want to do is I want to put this in the upper left hand corner, double click on it, and open that folder and show you what's inside. Okay. So when I open that up, you'll notice we have one folder. It's called Graphics. Okay. So we have a background, and we have my logo, LearnTech Plus. And the objective of this project is to show you how to do all the steps to create your very first animation, or close to your first. It may be your second animation, or you may have a little bit of experience, but this is a way to kind of refresh those skills. And then we're going to build a more dynamic, advanced project in the next section, which is project number 2, okay, where we're going to build a promo video. So we have the project files downloaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.